What's going on, guys? Happy New Year. Good Guy First Looks here with a new product. Now, we're all familiar with the Sorin. We remember this last year we came out with the Sorin Air, and then they hit us back to back with the Sorin Drop with the awesome different colors that it comes in. Great products. And they came out with one more. This is the Sorin iShare. This is really cool. Don't know too much about it. We're going to open it up. We're going to take a close look and see what it's all about. And it doesn't give me too much information on the back. Normally I will read the back to give you guys some specs on the batteries and stuff like that, but we'll find it, we'll put it in the description. But let's get to it. Let's see what the product's all about. Let's take a look. Let's see, what this one's like. Bam. Alright, so right away we have the USB with the little branded tag on there. And alright, I don't see anything inside the box, but that's cool. We still got more packaging to go through. This looks like a case. This is pretty cool. Let's open it up. Alright, so right away down here you have two batteries, two pods. They don't look too large, but again, they generally make those small, very, very easy portable devices. And so I'm guessing this is called the iShare because, if you have any friends or, you can actually, hey, what are you vaping? Well, here, you can try this one, I'm sick today. Or, yeah, you can try this one, I have two different flavors, and you can have your variety with you, which is pretty cool. Or if you don't have friends like me, you can just kill one battery and then vape the other battery, but, So let's pull one battery out. This is super, super, super light. It just feels like nothing. There's no weight to it. That's kind of crazy. Let's pull the pod out now. Let's take both of them out. It's a party. Just like any other similar style vape, I guess you would fill this cartridge. They should just pop right in, and they do remove pretty easily. Doesn't seem like it would fall out at all, so that's nice. And let's take a look at what happens when we put them in here, just like I had in the picture. Let's pop that one in next. That's pretty cool. So once they're both in there, that one's blinking. This one seems to be pulsing a little bit, which is cool. So it lets you know that the charger is, doing its job, and then these guys are connected, so it is beginning to charge, which is awesome. You can vape on this for as long as you like, and then once you're done, you put it away, and when you pick up your device, it'll be fully charged and still able to be used, which is really cool. Let's throw some juice in here. I'm actually going to use Mr. Salty's Orange Mango Guava. Good friends of ours here at Good Guy Vapes. You guys should go check them out. We have them in the shops. Really, really good flavors. Beyond just the Orange Mango Guava. This is just one of their newest. So we're going to give this a try today too, and let's see how it is. So we're going to pop that out. Pop open the pod. And now let's figure out how we fill this thing. I don't see any fill holes, so I'm guessing this would pull apart. That was actually pretty easy. Still secured in there, but still easy to fill, which is awesome. Alright, so it looks like this rubber grommet up here, we're just going to go ahead and pull that off. Once you get that off, you're going to fill around the outside of that little center chamber there. You don't want to get that in there. I'm guessing that's where the airflow is, so you don't want to just flood out your tank. And you can actually see the coil down there. So we are going to go ahead and fill it. So on with the Orange Mango Guava goodness. Doesn't hold too much. Again, the box didn't have any specific details on how much these pods hold, but we'll probably link that in the description once we figure that out. Let's go ahead and put that little rubber grommet back on there. Pop the mouthpiece back on. There we go. And then the battery. So all in all, super light. Even the box with or without those two devices in there, it really doesn't weigh anything. So this is awesome. Super portable. It's small. It's nice and comfortable in the hand. Charges through micro USB on the back. It's really it does so much, but there's not a lot to it. So you don't really have to think about it. You don't have to learn anything. It's just kind of very simple, yet intricate enough to work as you would need it to. So this is a pretty dope product. So let's give it a vape and see how this works out. So now that we have the pod all loaded up, both devices are inside of the charging case, which is awesome. You get a better look at it from that angle maybe. It's, still very comfortable in the hands, very small. Price point wise, I'm not sure exactly where it would be, but Sorin generally, their products like 25 to 30 bucks. Don't quote me on that, but just based off of everything else, they seem to have a little trend going on. They know exactly what we're looking for in these little products, so this is really cool. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. By the way, I did find out that These actually, we have the black one here that we're reviewing right now. That actually does come in white as well. And let's go ahead and try this out. So a little bit of a tight pull on the first. I mean, we just juiced it up and I'm already vaping on it, and it wicked pretty quickly, which is really cool. Not the slightest burnt taste at all. Something about these make me feel more, what's the word I'm looking for? Feel more, I don't know, something more classy, like I'm just a fancy pinky out kind of guy, you know? Good flavor, nothing too crazy. I would say it's just right. I mean, they got pretty much, I want to say they got everything right. I would have to spend a little bit more time to actually give you like 100% like what I think about it, but just on the first looks here, I feel like everything's right. They made an awesome product. If you wanted to vape or like share your vape, you have another one sitting there on standby. Or if you just, you know, kill one battery, you can switch. You can put 2 different flavors in here. Really portable, small, it's light, there's not a lot of weight to the battery. This is a really cool product. Another awesome product coming straight out of Soren, so I gotta give it to these guys. They know what's up with the vape community. Well, I think that just about covers it. I don't see anything else really on here that we can talk about. It's pretty simple. Like I said, it's not too intricate, but it's advanced to where it does exactly what you need it to, but intricate enough for any kind of user, beginner, intermediate, expert. Everybody can enjoy this product, so this is awesome. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, little notification button, and I guess we'll see you next time on Good Guy First Looks.